1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We're going to do two things. We're going to show you everything you learned. Then we're going to circle up on that brown line for a mixer. We started off with the side pass. It goes walk, walk, triple step, switch the hands, walk, walk, triple step. You can do this all night long. Side pass with one hand, switch the hands, and you can add a little flavor. You can be like, hey, I'm dancing, I'm doing my chant, rocking the music. You can act all cool. Whatever fits the vibe of the music, you got something to take up the space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. From here, we can do a coaster step. Leaders, back, back, coaster step. Send her back around. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, coaster step, triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That gives you some extra flavor. From there, we can go from here and go back, back, walk, open her up, 5, 6, triple steps. So leaders lose 2 steps. Walk, 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 hold, triple step. She keeps the same rhythm. We remove 2, she keeps them, evens work each other out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, triple steps. You can do a side pass. On this side pass, notice I can switch the hands back there nice and easy. That's plenty of flavor. We can then go 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. We can cross on 5. We rotate around. We can also just walk, walk, triple step. If we don't want to make it too flavorful, send her back out. So the walking version is walk, 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 walkie, walk, 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 walkie, walk. But if we want more flavor, we can add a sweep in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk, walk, and we can spin her out, or we can take it to the shoulder. Everything you learned with that last piece of sauce on the end goes from the left hand. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You can add another side pass just to give yourself that extra time. Then goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. I've been DJ John Paul. That's been the lovely Kortnee.